Hey everybody, so I know it's been a long time on this channel and I just wanted to do a video today on a lot of techniques that I have been learning this entire time. So the look today is pretty normal when you kind of see it up close like this, but actually if you look closely there are elements. I actually do individual lashes, which are these guys here, every single day for just my everyday makeup, but in terms of tape and stuff I only do it later. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy and I will see you soon. Alright guys, so here I have a blank canvas and I'm gonna get started. So the first thing I'm starting off with is the Sunday Riley CO Afterglow. I've been using this moisturizer every single day and I'm just gonna prep my face with it first because my face feels really dry recently. I'm not sure why. It also has this like amazing citrus scent. I'm also gonna go with my sunscreen. I have been using the Clé de Peau sunscreen. This is the UV protective cream. This, I have to say, is a super luxe kind of treat yourself sunscreen. It is pretty expensive, but it's pretty much the best sunscreen I've ever tried. Clé de Peau always has the best face products, their foundations, their primers, anything to do with the complexion basically. Because just like that, the sunscreen already makes you look so good. So before I do my eye makeup and everything like that, I'm gonna use my concealer. This is the One Size concealer and you can get this at Sephora. My color is medium 1N. And I'm just gonna look for blemishes and just put like some concealer on it, and basically I'll do a bit of a blend but not like overboard. And why I'm doing this first is so that it dries as one layer, and when I put my base on, because the concealer has kind of like sat and dried on the blemish, it's not gonna move around as much. But I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna look a little bit weird. This video is all about trusting the process. So you're gonna be like, what is she doing? And then at the end, it's all gonna make sense, I promise. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I normally use something that's really, really dark, right? But I've been really using something quite light these days, like a light brown color and like a taupe basically. So this is from Deja Vu. It's their natural lasting eyebrow, and I kind of need a mirror for this, so BRB. Like separate the hair at the same time. So yeah, that's the brows. Now I'm gonna work on my eyes. The thing you want to do is put concealer on your eyelids. This is like your eyelid primer, and you just want to do like more of a matte. Like One Size has this concealer is pretty matte. Okay, I'm gonna take this, and this is gonna be weird, but just bear with me. I'm gonna find my kind of like my crease, and I'm gonna detail it out. It out, extend it out a little bit like that. I'm gonna use a small brush with like this peachy color, and I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. Take the same brush and we're gonna find like a light color to put on my whole eyelid. So I will do this color here, and we're just gonna put it all over the eyelid, kind of like straight if possible. So if you can't get the color, just start tapping the product instead of drawing it out, kind of like what I'm gonna take this and we're gonna put it here. Just making sure. Yep. And then you can see when I push my eye in, my eye becomes more pronounced and also more deep set. Alright guys, so I'm a big fan of individual lashes. They look like this. You want to pluck one off like this. They're super dainty, and you want to kind of like scoop it into the glue so that the glue is actually sitting right on top of the lash. That's really important. Then you're actually going to paste these underneath your eyelashes. So just get one on first, and that might not be at the very end, it might be in the center. So just put it in the center, like wherever you can get it on first, and then build from there. I'm just gonna take my eyelash curler, press them once, and you can really see them kind of go up more, and then the other side. And then I'm gonna take mascara. So this is the Deja Vu. And it's better that you take like a very old, kind of like old mascara that's like running out to do this, because you don't want it to be like really wet and clumpy. You can see my lash just come to life. Okay. Laneige Neo Cushion. This is the matte version. My shade is in 23N. I actually have been really liking this cushion. I've been using it every day. Alright, my powder of choice recently is this. This is from Kosei, and it's just like a compact. It's like makes my skin brighter. Now for my nose. So I'm gonna go in. So for my nose, I'm actually gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in Taupe, and I'm actually gonna use this color here, the lighter one. That way you can go kind of crazy and nuts with it without worrying that it's too much. I'll show you. So never use your face contour to do your nose. It ends up looking so natural when you use this product. Okay, for highlight, I'm using the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. Looks like this. Use the same brush. So where the light's catching. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna do my lips, and for my lips I'm using the lip liner from MAC in Boldly Bare. This is my ultimate favorite lip liner, and lately I've been loving using lip liner. It's just like using eyeliner for your eyes. It's that important. And then I'm like, done, Boldly Bare. But then I got a new lipstick from Clé de Peau, and look how gorgeous this case is. It's so beautiful. And this color is in Heavenly Peach. Let's put it on for the first time. It's a brand new lipstick. Such a nice color actually. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I love the setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. Just spray my face. And that's it guys, that's the look. A little unconventional, but I wanted to show you how I do my lashes now. I almost never use strip lashes anymore. I always use individual lashes, and then how I do my double eyelid tape as well as my individual lower lashes. And yeah, I really hope you found this video useful. Please get yourself some individual lashes and try them out for yourself. It changed my life literally. I can't even feel it on my lids right now, and it's the most amazing thing. I literally use them every single day. And at first it kind of is difficult to do, but now I do it in like 5 to 10 minutes every single day, and I don't have to pay for lash extensions anymore. So these are awesome. I hope you guys had a fun time, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.